The Nifty has opened flat really. It's volatile in its own sweet way in a very tight range, but flat as flat can be. 6279. So an opening tick, not too much of an activity out there, but slowly gaining strength now. 10 points up, 13 points up now. So interesting moves coming in for the benchmark index. What's reacting and what's not? Infosys is definitely reacting. Let's start off with that one. It's down 0.5%. Tata Power incidentally is the top loser, not Infosys. So that one is down close to 1.25%. But that aside, not really too many losers. I mean, an odd Sun Pharma, odd Lupin, but there's merely a small blemish really in today's session. What's done well on the Nifty at least? Grasim about 1% up, JP Associates about 1% up, and Larsen & Toubro has gained about 1%. So those are 2 or 3 stocks which have done okay in trade, but otherwise on the index, frankly, there is nothing. Now the Nifty is up 21 points, yes, so that is active, but no, not really, not too many outright winners in trade. I just want to point out United Spirits before I hand it over to Aisha for the broader markets, but that one is, well, it's recovered quite a bit of lost ground really, 2606. So the pre-open session actually suggested a 9 or a 10% downtick, ended up with a 6% downtick, currently at 2609. So not a bad start for United Spirits really.
And not that bad for Infi as well. So after the knee-jerk of about a 2% downtick, you've got Infi which is now stabilized. It's lower just by about 0.5%, which is fine at a time when the Nifty is just about nudging the green line literally. Infi down just 0.5%. So you'd have to say a very tempered reaction, as has been the case from many brokerages saying that these dips should be looked as buying opportunities for Infi at this juncture. L&T, BPCL, Grasim, HCL Technologies, Wipro, TCS, Reliance, Axis Bank, all these names are the ones which are the gainers from the pack right now. Just a couple of other names, and Axis Bank is going to replace Jindal Steel on the Sensex today. So I just want to see the BSE rates, not the NSE rates. Wipro, meantime, has signed a pact with Europe's telecom operator, that's Tele2AB. So watch out for this one as well. GSK Pharma's open offer, that's going to kickstart on Feb 7th, close on Feb 21st. GSK Pharma as well is another one which is in focus. And ICICI Bank has announced a new scheme on home loans, and they've cut the rate by 15 basis points. So watch out for this one as well. Meantime, financial technologies, of course, is the one which continues to be in focus. And there are reports that now SEBI has issued a show cause notice to FT, post FMC order on fit and proper, not finding it fit and proper, that is. So FT as well is another one which is in focus. Let's just see what the pharma pack is up to, considering they've had a pretty active last week. The pharma stocks should just come up for you on your screens as well. Aurobindo, Wockhardt, the likes, all of them were holding out pretty smartly. GMR Infrastructure, Canara Bank, NHPC, by the way, are your top movers, and you've got United Spirits, United Breweries, Dish TV, Oracle Software, which are the drags in the futures and options market.